About this 2012 Honda Odyssey Touring. 2012 Honda Odyssey Touring leather, seats 8. This 4-door minivan has a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine with front-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Honda has less than 135,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. 2012 Honda Odyssey Touring Minivan. Leather interior with third-row seating that seats 8, sunroof, oversized DVD, heated seats, backup camera, navigation, power sliding doors, power rear hatch, nice tires, tow hitch, 3.5L V6 automatic with 134K, $13,995, 1645 North Montana Avenue, Helena, Montana, 406-442-2931, JD Autosols.net. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.